Hello and welcome to Matrix Construction channel. In this video, we are going to show you how we remove a rubber roof from a commercial building. Rubber roofs are one of the most common types of flat roofs in the market because they offer many benefits such as durability, waterproofing, and easy installation. However, like any other roofing material, rubber roofs can deteriorate over time due to exposure to weather, UV rays, or mechanical damage and need to be replaced. Removing a rubber roof is not a complicated process, but it does require some specialized tools and techniques. So let's take a look at how we do it. The first thing we do is check the weather forecast and choose a warm and sunny day for the project. This is because rubber roofs are easier to remove when they are warm and flexible. When they are cold, they can become stiff and brittle and harder to peel off. Next, we gather the tools and materials we need for the project. Here is a list of what we use. Now that we are ready, we start cutting the rubber roof into small sections using our utility knife. We follow the seams of the roof where the rubber membrane was joined together with tape or glue. This makes it easier to peel off the sections later. Once we have cut a section of the rubber roof, we use our heat gun to warm up and soften the edges of the section where it is attached to the roof deck. This helps loosen the adhesive that holds the rubber membrane in place. After we have warmed up the edges of the section, we use our roof scraper or our hands to lift up and peel off the rubber membrane from the roof deck. We may need to use some force to pull it off, especially if the adhesive is strong or old. If we encounter any nails or staples that hold the rubber membrane down, we use our hammer or pry bar to remove them as we go along. Once we have removed a section of the rubber roof, we roll it up and dispose of it in a dumpster or a trailer. We don't leave it on the roof because it can create a tripping hazard or block our way. We also sweep or blow away any dust or debris that may accumulate on the roof deck as we work. We repeat this process for the rest of the roof until we have removed all of the rubber membrane. This may take several hours or even days depending on the size and condition of your roof. But once we are done, we have a clean and smooth surface ready for a new roofing system. And that's how we remove a rubber roof from a commercial building. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about flat roofing solutions. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.